Welcome back. Now that we have imported all of our addresses into Google, let's go ahead and let's give it a name. The name of it is Route Houston Southwest Master, and the date that I received it, we can just click on there and we can just give it a name. And again, for me, this is just Master. Again, you can do anything you want. It's up to you. And uniform style, you can customize how everything looks. For us, I want to go ahead and group places by numbers. I want to give it a number, sequence numbers, and we're going to say bam. Okay, so everything now everything has been numbered. And the next thing that I want to do is set the labels. I want to set the name of the business as the label. And I remember that the name of the business was the first column. So we're going to go ahead and say column number 1. Now, if you look closely, now you see business names and things of that nature as the label. And if you look closely, you will see that like 120, the label is Houston Community College. Guess where it has fallen? Right, that the Houston Community College, West Loop. So that's a good way of verifying that you are also in the right area as well. That Google has placed everything where it needs to be in the proper place. And from here, you can actually drag and drop your things, and it will automatically do a break number, things of that nature. So you can actually organize your entire route from your destination all the way to your first stop, all the way to your last, and back home. All you're doing there is simply dragging and dropping. Now that's just putting everything in there. Okay, and you can sequence it accordingly. Now, what I want to show you here is we have an issue here. It says that we have 3 rows couldn't be shown on the map. Fix errors highlighted red in the data table. Okay, so let's open the data table. Let's see what they're talking about. And we have 2 addresses that really did not show up, I guess, on the Google Maps like it was supposed to. So you can go in and just find those places and just add them to your list and everything, and you'll be fine. The business name, of course, you're not even concerned about that, but that is our problem. And again, that's an easy fix. That's better than going in and doing 800 and something or 200 and something of them. So I can go and fix 2. All right, the next thing, I'm going to click on number 1. Okay, number 1, it tells me the address of the street, the building number, the street name, the zip code, and the city. Also down here, you can edit style. You can edit the entire thing itself. Here you go. You can edit everything up here, basically. But I don't see a reason to edit nothing on there because it looks good. It's the United Sisters Restaurant and gives me the full address. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Well, actually, I don't have to cancel that. If I have pictures, or if I'm using my phone or any device that has the GPS and a camera, I can actually take a picture of that area, and I can save it, and it will be saved to my Google. So whenever I need to pull up this for later use, and if I'm confused, I can just pull up that picture and bam, I will see. As you can see, it says add image or video. So it's really neat, and you can do the same thing here out here as well. And you can also like do a quick directions to here right there as well, and you can also delete it. So again, Google Maps is extremely powerful. Use it as you see fit. Now to actually organize your route, because 224 is actually quite big. So the next video I do is going to be how to actually like create a route that you feel that is doable in one day. Because this here is just too much. Nobody can do that much in one day. So that's that. So